Here I have LYF Water 10 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer and let's use this secret code. Asterisk pound 3646633 pound asterisk. As you can see, the engineer mode just pops up. Here you can use the telephony section when you can use the auto answer, antenna test and other stuff. You can also swipe left to connectivity to check Bluetooth, FM receiver, Wi-Fi. You can also choose here the hardware testing and you can, for example, choose here audio, camera and others. You can also select location and log and debugging and also others. Alright, so that's it. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use the back key. Now let's enter here the Android testing menu, so you have to use this code asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. As you can see, the Android testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information and here you can read the current network signal strength, you can read the location, and here you can also run a ping test or use more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book or get PTP list. Let's use the back key. Now let's open the battery information. Here you've got access to the battery info such as the battery health or battery technology. Let's go back. Here you can also open user statistics and you can read the last time used and usage time from the following apps. Use back key again and it's time to enter the Wi-Fi information. Here you can get access to Wi-Fi API when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network or get configure networks. You can also here check the Wi-Fi config and here you can see configured networks. Alright, use back key. Let's open the Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh or stats or run a ping test. Use back key one more time and it's time to enter this code, the calendar info. Let's use asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. As you can see, the calendar info just pops up, so here you can read a few information from your calendar. It's time to open Google Play service, so let's use this code asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And the Google Play services just pops up. Here you can read the following information about your Google. Let's go back and it's time to open the Debug Ui, so let's use the asterisk pound 759 pound asterisk, and as you can see, Debug Ui just pops up. Here you can view client IDs or change OEM mode. Use back key again and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.